Right.
Video. Ready?
You, Michael, look, yeah.
Okay.
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 Okay. This one is your early birthday present from Samuel.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Samuel. Happy birthday to you.
Are you joking?
No. It's really yours.
Oh God.
You know what's the irony?
I don't know what to say.
Daryl insisted to capture his expression. And then we got like half the expression.
Yeah, just the upper 1 quarter.
Okay, what's his expression? See?
I don't know what to say.
We can't post
Okay,
it
this
at all because it's all black duster. All black.
Okay, the birthday boy want to say something.
This is my first present in my life from my friend.
Oh.
Thank you a lot, guys.
You're welcome. Thanks,
I don't know what to say.
He's the one
Thank you,
that handled it
really,
for
so
you.
thank you.